friends, let's learn about G.B. Shaw today, who is a famous modern age writer. His lifespan is 1856 to 1950. Full name of G.B. Shaw was George Bernard Shaw. G.B. Shaw was Irish by his nationality. He was a playwright, critic and political activist. He influenced Western culture, theatre and politics for a long time. Even after the death, he kept on influencing the Western culture. He was the leading dramatist of his generation. In 1925, he was awarded Nobel Prize in Literature. In his family, he was the youngest and the only son of George Carr Shaw. Let's learn about the major works written by G.B. Shaw. Full-length plays written by him were Widower's House, The Philanderer, Mrs. Warren's Profession, Arms and the Man, Candida, Caesar and Cleopatra, Man and Superman, Major Barbara, The Doctor's Dilemma, Fanny's First Play, Androcles and the Lion, Pygmalion, Back to Methuselah, Saint John, The Apple Cart. There are also many short plays written by George Bernard Shaw. The name of these short plays are The Man of Destiny, The Admirable Bashville, Passion, Poison and Petrification, The Glimpse of Reality, The Dark Lady of the Sonnets, The Village Wooing. Now let's discuss the major works written by George Bernard Shaw. First is Widower's House. The Widower's House was published in 1892. It is the first play written by G.B. Shaw which was staged at the Royalty Theatre. The story shows that a young doctor learns that his future father-in-law has earned his wealth by renting slum housing to the poor. The doctor refuses the dirty dowry that awaits him. Next is The Philanderer. It was published in 1902. It is a satire. Although it was written in 1893, but it was staged in 1902. There are two endings of the play. The first ending is with divorce, its main theme. The second ending is resulting in a more conventional marriage. In the play, the lady is a young widow, Grace Stanfield, who is in love with Leonard Charteris, who is a philanderer of the title. Philanderer means a person who is a womanizer. Next important play written by G.B. Shaw is Mrs. Warren's Profession, 1902. It was a bit controversial in its time because there is the depiction of prostitution in this play. That is why G.B. Shaw had to face some criticism also. The play is about a former prostitute, now a madam. Madam means brothel proprietor, who attempts to come to terms with her disapproving daughter. It is a problem play showing that prostitution was not caused by moral failure but by economic necessity. In the play, the madam of brothel justifies her career to her daughter. Next is Arms and the Man. Arms and the Man was published in 1898. It is a comedy. The title comes from Virgil's Aeneid. In Latin, arma, virumac, cano, which means of aims and the man's I sing. Opening lines of this work are of Arms and the Man I sing. The play is in very humorous and it is very humorous tone and shows the futility means uselessness of war and deals comedically with the hypocrisies of human nature. Caesar and Cleopatra was published in 1898. It is a history play. It shows that Julius Caesar meets Cleopatra. Julius Caesar is again man and he meets teenage Cleopatra by chance one night under the Egyptian moon. There is a turmoil in Egypt. Civil war has torn the nation in two as Cleopatra and her younger brother vie for the throne. Next is Man and Superman. It was published in 1903. It is a 4-act drama. It is a satirical comedy. Mr. Whitefield dies and in her will, Mrs. Whitefield died and in her will she indicates that his daughter should be left in care of two men. Two men are Rehoboth Ramsden and John Tanner. Rehoboth Ramsden, a vulnerable old man, distrusts John Tanner because he is eloquent youth with revolutionary ideas. Despite Tanner's revolutionary ideas and nature, and persuades him to marry her. Next is Androcles and the Lion in 1912. It is a retelling of the famous tale of Androcles, who is a slave who is saved by requiting mercy of a lion. It is epic of ancient Rome. Everybody must have listened to the story about Androcles. So this is the same story which was written by G.B. Shaw in 1912. Pygmalion in 1913. It was named after a Greek mythological figure whose name was Pygmalion. In the story, Pygmalion falls in love with one of his sculptures which come to life thereafter. Next is Saint John. Saint John was published in 1923. It is about 15th century French military figure, Joan of Arc. It is a tragedy. The play reflects that the people involved in Joan's trial acted according to what they thought was right. So this is all about G.B. Shaw. We have learned about his major works. So I hope you like the video. Thank you.